pala how to charge with a freaking pencil. Let me get my pencil case. Yep, that's great. Put the marker. Put a pen. And suck your hands a little bit so it will be okay. Okay, that's all. By the way, due to the settings, my head looks like it's spinning so much. So sorry. What the fuck? It's just the settings.